may be the start of meteorological autumn, but we still have some summer heat today and tomorrow. Cooler air moves in for the weekend before possibly things are heating up next week. And speaking of heating up, Death Valley poised to hit a possible all-time September record tomorrow, and things are also heating up in the tropical Atlantic. So it is September 1st, the first day of meteorological fall, and here's a little map showing just how much daylight we lose over the next few months. It's a lot. 4 hours on average across Minnesota, so a substantial amount of daylight lost, of course, by the time we head to the end of November. We're seeing activity pick up, though. This is the one of the peak months, August and September, in the tropical Atlantic, and we have Danielle, a new named storm, tropical storm. Not going to affect much. It's in the middle of the Atlantic, but we're still watching a couple areas with a likelihood of becoming something in the next several days. We are talking about some heat. We talked about this a little bit yesterday in the Southwest. Record-breaking heat wave. We're talking 122 in Death Valley today, 109 in Las Vegas, and then tomorrow, maybe even a little bit warmer. 124 is the National Weather Service forecast for Death Valley. 123 is the all-time September record there, so they're going to potentially break that. So this isn't just a daily record, which are a little easier to break, but a all-time record for the month. And that's pretty incredible. 126 would be the all-time air temperature record for Earth in September. Everything in red and purple, this is the top 0.5% or record-breaking for temperatures, and that covers a huge area of the Southwest, which already has a lot of fires in the Pacific Northwest and through California. You can expect fire season is only going to get worse here after this record-breaking heat wave, because this just dries out those already dry areas even more, just creates a tinderbox. Some of that heat is trying to move towards us. It's been trying to do this for a while, and the model's kind of all over the place in terms of how much of this heat can make its way towards us, but a very bizarre oblong shape to the heat potentially heading into next week. So you can see, I mean, it almost looks like a fire in the Southwest, and sort of these flames fan towards us occasionally. We get a cool break this weekend. We're talking 70s, very pleasant, pretty seasonable, but then next week, one of those flames of heat aims towards Minnesota again by the middle of next week. So we're talking temperatures well into the 80s, if not possibly near 90 for some again. Now this cool front that comes through tomorrow, pretty pathetic. 1 or 2 showers is going to be about it. The best chance still looks to be Wisconsin, southeastern Minnesota, maybe northeastern Iowa, of some evening development. Otherwise, most of us are going to see that front come through fairly dry. Just a wind shift that'll drop the temperatures heading into Saturday and Sunday. This is the blend of the models. Rainfall amounts, pretty pathetic. Whatever we get will be under anything that we need still. And we're talking about some pretty cool temperatures early Sunday and early Monday mornings. Temperatures that could rival what we've seen all summer, potentially 3 months you have to go back. Low 40s, I'm sure we're going to see some 30s up on the Iron Range. And even in the Twin Cities, some low to mid 50s readings, which would be the coolest since the first day or two of June 3 months ago. So we've got that to look forward to. The trend undeniably is downward, but we still have some heat out there. 88 today, 89 tomorrow. Again, a very, very isolated chance of a shower. A gorgeous holiday weekend, little cooler. I guess maybe you'd like it a little hotter if you're going to be playing in the water, but you know, pretty hard to complain about this. And then next week, things are heating back up as a lot of kids go back to school, upper 80s Tuesday, Wednesday.